Alright, let's show you guys what I do for lubing up these. There's some people that don't really know that you're supposed to put lubricant on this, but I use this stuff, and all I do, well, hold on, let me try wiping this a little bit. They already got never sees on this already, but I'm just going over these and redoing it. But go around, wipe it, and then this little tube, just go around like that. Now, the front ones, you just gotta keep spinning them. But yeah, you're just gonna wanna go all the way around with this stuff. Put on like that, and just go all the way down. This will help from your Dayton seizing up on you. Alright, should look like that. I had to get another light, so it's kind of a little bit, I don't know, you can probably see it, but so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put this on. Let's see which way it goes. It goes this way. So screw this all the way on. Get that, let's see. All right, and then really you just gotta get a rag and wipe around this. Yeah, just wipe around. Let me see. Oh, shit. You do not want this to happen. You want to make sure you get that off. Oh, shit. Hold on. Alright. Well, I just dropped the light on my phone and broke my camera, but I got part of it working. So, I'm gonna take this off. I got the inside all like that, and then yeah, it's all ready to go, and you just put your wheel back on. But yeah, this is the stuff right here. I'll leave a link to it in the description, but I highly recommend this if you don't want, like, if you ever get your you don't want your spindle getting stuck on here and rusting. So, you know, I've seen people bend bars trying to pry it off, and it's better to do this now than rather have your cap freeze on here. And yeah, but this stuff right here is a lifesaver. So, but yeah, I don't see anything on YouTube about this, so but yeah, hopefully this helps.
I'm on the bottom, my body gonna feel it. Jump in your middle, hoping in the middle. This in the time, I think you live with my fiddle. I'll be your